Tan Chi-hua is former Hong Kong chief executive and current vice chairman of the National Committee of the Chinese People's Political Consultative Conference. He said Friday there is ample evidence for China to reject the award rendered on Tuesday in the South China Sea arbitration established at the unilateral request of the Philippine government. Delivering a keynote speech at the meeting, Tang said China has indeed adhered to international legal norms in the South China Sea dispute. The United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea has provided its signatories with an option to make an exemption in cases concerning maritime boundary delimitation. China and more than 30 countries have taken the option. Tang also talked about the historical evidence to support China's sovereignty over the South China Sea. President of the Chinese Society of International Law, Li Shishu, said the ruling impairs the credibility of dispute settlement mechanism.
It is regretful that some international judicial or arbitral bodies, for various purposes, deliberately downplay the role of the state consent principle in the settlement of maritime disputes and lower the threshold for the application of compulsory procedures. This, rather than help the settlement of disputes, only impairs the credibility of the dispute settlement mechanism of the UNCLOS.
Xu Hong is the Chinese Foreign Ministry's Director General of Treaties and Law. He said as China has declared that compulsory dispute settlement procedures do not apply to maritime delimitation, it is wrong for the Philippines to have gone for arbitration.
Many are surprised at the award over the South China Sea case in favor of the Philippine side. It shows that the arbitral tribunal has exceeded its jurisdiction. Thus, the ruling lacks impartiality, objectivity, and is politically motivated.